Hello, so everybody, welcome back. And this is the tech guy. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Yeah, so today, as I said, we'll be talking about how to design event banners, posters, flyers, logos, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram story pictures, whatever, anything about graphics that you want to create. Yeah, just in 5 minutes on your smartphone. And first of all, the app that you have to download is Canva. You have to download Canva from Play Store. So as you can see, that's my Canva. You have to download and open Canva from the Play Store. Yeah, so right now you don't need to be a professional graphic designer before getting a professional event banner or flyer or poster. You can do that for yourself for free. Yeah, so now just download the app and you just have to go to open. Download the app, then just go to open. Okay, so choose from over 50,000 free ready to use templates for your new project. That's Canvas for you. Yeah, so right now, so you realize I have signed in, so you have to sign in here. So in here you realize there is a logo, poster, Instagram post, flyer, animated social media, photo collage, business card, video presentation, invitation, your stories, menu, announcement, brochure, infographic, label, invitation, certificate, post, document, Facebook post, gift, certificate, phone wallpaper, book cover, blog graphic, t-shirt. There's a lot. Yeah, there's a lot. So anything that you want to do, you can do in here. So let's say we want to design a poster. So you just have to click on the search and let's search a poster. Okay, so a poster landscape. Yeah, a poster landscape. So in here you realize there's a lot of templates in here. So you have to choose the one which will be suitable for you. Yeah, the one which will be suitable for you. You have to choose the poster which will be suitable for you. Kindly choose the poster or the template which will be suitable for you. Okay. I just want to make a poster about the campaigning thing. So after you have selected the template, all that you have to do is the place that you want to make the changes. You just tap on it. So let's say if I want to make changes to this picture, I just have to tap on the picture. Yeah, then I can replace it with any picture that I want. Yeah, that I want. Let me put my cat in here. Yeah, so that's my cat. So I can replace it with any picture that I want. Okay, so let's say so that's it. And in here, if you want to add anything, like if you want to add, let's say you want to add some images and many more, you can just click on the additional button. That's the plus sign out there. You see the plus sign, you can just click on the plus sign and anything that you want to add. If you want to add a video, you can just do. Okay, if you want to add a video, you can just do. Or if you want to, you can just go to the video section, the Canva library video section, and you search on, let's say I want a video about animals. Yeah, let's say cats. Okay, so cats. Yeah, you realize that's it. So maybe I want to put it maybe somewhere, maybe somewhere here. Okay, so with this app you don't need to be a professional graphic designer before you can use this app. So, and it's free. Okay, it's free. You can use this to design many of your items. That's your logo. So all that you have to do is you just have to you just have to search. Download the Canva, search on what you want to do. Maybe you want to make a logo. You want to make a logo. So you just have to search, and there's a lot of templates out there. So you just have to search, and you select the one which will be good for you. So the one which will be good for you. So let's take this. So let's say the AMD Warriors. Okay, so the AMD, let's say the AMD Warriors. So you realize I've been able to do this, and with this you can choose your font type in here. If you want to change the font type, you just have to click on it. You realize there's a pop-up menu in here. You can click here to change the type that you want it. Yeah, so maybe I want this. You can just change it. Some are premium, so you can just change it to whatever font type that you want. Okay. Or if you want to make it bold, anything you want to do, you can change the color. Everything you can just do it in here without. After that, you can just click on there, and your project will be saved. So you don't need to get a computer with, let's say, AMD graphics card with 8 gig RAM just to design a poster or just to design. No, with your smartphone is a very powerful device. So with your smartphone, you can now design a poster, flyers, logo, YouTube thumbnails, whatever you want to download, whatever you want to make. You can just do it with your smartphone, with your tiny device, your smartphone. Okay. So all that you have to do is just download Canva from Play Store. Just download Canva. So as you can see, I have been designing my YouTube thumbnails and everything with Canvas, and it's the best that you can use. Yeah. So maybe you want to get your flyer, you can also use this. So there's a lot of things out there that you can check it out. You can see YouTube thumbnails. If you're a YouTuber and you feel like making thumbnails, you don't need Photoshop or whatever. You just need Canva, and Canva will do the job. Canva will do the job for you. Okay.